Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to test your problem solving skills with 3 questions. Each question will be harder than the one before. These math questions aren't just for people studying for the GRE test, but for anyone who enjoys the fun of challenging themselves with math concepts. For each problem, hit pause and give it your best shot. After that, I will show you the right answer so you can check how you did. So grab a pen and a paper and let's dive into the first question. Question number 1. If x equals 4y and z equals 2x, what is x plus y plus z in terms of y? We need to find x plus y plus z in terms of y. So it is not necessary to find the individual values of x, y, and z to answer the question. This means that you need to use the information given in the question about x and z to express them in terms of the variable y. So we rewrite the expression here, replacing x with 4y and z with 2x. So here we have 4y instead of x plus y, and plus instead of z we have 2x. For the first term and second terms we have y, but as you can see for the last one we have x and we need to express it in terms of y. From the information provided in the question, we know that x equals 4y. So we need to replace x here with 4y. So instead of 2x, we have 2 multiply 4y. So finally, we have 4y plus y plus, and 2 multiplied by 4y equals 8y. So we have 4 plus here, 1 plus 8 y. So 4 plus 1 equals 5, 5 plus 8 equals 13. So 13y is our final answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. If a minus 2b divided by 3b minus a equals 1, which of the following statements describes a in terms of b? For describe a in terms of b, we need to solve the equation here. And as you can see, there is a fraction here that equals 1. So we know that when the numerator and the denominator of a fraction are equal, the fraction will be equal to 1, like 2 over 2 equal 1, or 3 over 3, or 81 over 81. All of these fractions are equal to 1. So we have a minus 2b as a numerator and 3b minus a as a denominator. And here we need to find a. So we move all terms of a to the one side of the equation and terms involving b to the other side. So when we want to move minus a to the left side of the equation, we know that the sign will be changed. So here we have a and here we have plus 8 because the sign will be changed here, equal to, here we need to move minus b to the right side of the equation. So for the right side of the equation we have 3b plus 2b. So for the left side we have 2a equals 3b plus 2b equals 5b. And then here for finding a we need to divide it both sides by 2. So now we have a equals 5 over 2b. So the correct answer will be a is 5 over 2 of b. And now let's move on to the last question. The relationship between area of a circle and its circumference is given by the formula S equal K multiplied by P squared, where K is a constant. What is the value of K? Here we need to find the value of K. So we have an equation here, S equals k multiplied by p squared. And for finding k, we need to multiply both sides of the equation by p squared. So s divided by p squared equals k. And as you can see, all of these options are not included s or p. So we need to simplify this to find the right answer. And from the information provided in the question, s is the area of a circle. And P is a circumference of a circle. So we need to use a standard formula for the area and circumference of a circle in terms of the radius r. So S as a area of circle equals pi r squared, and P as a circumference equals 2 pi r. And now we need to replace S and P here. So k equals s, which is equal pi r squared, divided by p equals 2 pi r. So we need to raise 2 pi r to the power of 2. So here we have pi r squared as a numerator, and as a denominator we need to raise 2 pi r to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 2 equals 4, and pi to the power of 2 equals pi squared, and last one r squared. So we have something like this, and we can simplify it. So here we have pi r squared divided by 4 pi squared r squared. So we simplified r squared by r squared in the numerator. And here we have 1 pi, and in the denominator we have 2 pi. So we have pi here, 4 pi multiplied by pi. I write pi squared as pi multiplied by pi. So we can simplify 1 pi with 1 pi in the denominator. So we have 1 in the numerator, and for denominator we have 4 pi. So 1 over 4 pi is our answer. Thanks for watching this video with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math hacks and tips. Until next time, happy mathing!